Is Orba's viral built-in bra tank top actually worth your money? Or is it just another internet scam? If you've seen those slick social media ads promising all-day support and a perfect fit, you're definitely not alone. But before you hit add to cart, let's talk about what's really going on. So, here's the tea. As of 2026, the Orba tank top popping up in your feed is raising some serious red flags. While Orba is a legit shoe brand, these tank tops are often sold through copycat sites with super sketchy reputations. Think customer service horror stories, shipping delays, and, yep, refund nightmares. Multiple reviewers on sites like Trustpilot call it an expensive version of Shein or Temu, with shocking customer service to match. Many people never even get their order, and those who do, they're often stuck with tanks that look nothing like the ad. Think flimsy fabric, zero compression, and sizes that are way off the chart. And here's a major warning. Some buyers say they noticed unauthorized credit card charges after ordering. Not a great look for a brand promising comfort and security. So, what do you do if you want a built-in bra tank that actually works? I recommend skipping the viral hype and checking out trusted brands like Uniqlo's Airism, Lululemon's Wonder Under, Athleta's Vital Tank, or even Honeylove's wireless bras. These brands actually deliver on their promises, and their sizing is clear and reliable. Bottom line, if the Orba ad seems too good to be true, or the site has a sketchy return policy, trust your gut. Stick with established retailers, and always read the fine print before you buy. Protect your wallet and your personal info by shopping smart. Subtitle: Is Orba's tank top a scam?